Hi friends, welcome to channel Agri-Bio-Tech. My name is Ganesh Thakur and our today's topic is agriculture. Agriculture is the main base of our daily life. All the things directly or indirectly depends on the agriculture in the world. It is a big sector of life. In this video, we will cover agriculture definition, present status, importance and several branches. So let's see what is agriculture. The term agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager and cultura. Ager or agri means soil or land or field and cultura means cultivation. So, agriculture means the cultivation of the soil. But is agriculture only confined in soil cultivation? No, it includes crop production, livestock farming, fisheries, forestry, etc. So, agriculture is defined as the cultivation and production of plants and raising of livestock for economic purposes and human needs. In other words, agriculture is the science and art of farming, including the work of cultivating the soil, producing crops, planting forest plants or trees, raising livestock and rearing fishes. There are three main spheres of agriculture, that is geoponic, hydroponic and aeroponic. Geoponic is the cultivation in earth. You can see it normally everywhere on earth. It is normal farming. Hydroponic is cultivation in water. In this cultivation, plants or crops is grown in water or watery place. And third one is aeroponic. Aeroponic is cultivation in air. In this cultivation, crops is grown in air without use of soil. Now, status of agriculture in India. India is an agricultural country. About 70% of population depends on agriculture. One third of India's national income comes from agriculture. Indian economy is based on agriculture. Indian agriculture remained underdeveloped for a long time. They did not produce enough food for their people. But after green revolution in agricultural field, now country is self-sufficient in food grains. It is now in a position to export surplus food grains and some other agricultural products to other countries. Hence, the green revolution is major revolution in the field of agriculture in India. As a result of green revolution, now India ranks first in the world in the production of tea and groundnuts. It ranks second in the world in the production of rice, sugarcane, oilseeds and jutes. Now let's see importance of agriculture. For decades, agriculture has been associated with production of essential food crops. Agriculture plays a critical role in entire life of a given economy. Agriculture also provides employment opportunities. Some importance of agriculture are source of livelihood, contribution to national income, supply of food and fodder, source of raw material, foreign exchange resources and employment opportunities. So first one is source of livelihood. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood. Approximately 70% of the people directly rely on agriculture as a mean of living. Contribution to national income. Agriculture is the main source of national income for most developing countries. Third one is supply of food and fodder. Agricultural sector provides food and fodder for humans and domestic animals. Moreover, livestock also meets people's food requirement. Fourth one, source of raw material. The main source of raw material to major industries are agriculture, such as cotton and jute fabric, sugar, tobacco, edible as well as non-edible oils. Foreign exchange resources. The nation's export rate depends largely on agricultural sector. Agricultural commodities accounts for approximately 18% of the entire value of exports of a country. So, agriculture products are important source of earning a country foreign exchange. Last one is the great employment opportunities. Agriculture sector provides more employment opportunities to the labor force that reduce the high rate of unemployment in developing countries caused by the fast growing population. Branches of agriculture. Agriculture is composed of 5 specialized branches. The 5 branches are agronomy, horticulture, agricultural engineering, agricultural economics, animal science. First one, agronomy. Agronomy deals with soil management and the growing of crops. It is the application of a combination of sciences like biology, chemistry, economics, ecology, earth science, and genetics. Horticulture. Horticulture deals with the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and ornamental crops. It also includes plant conservation, landscape restoration, landscape and garden design, construction and maintenance, and arboriculture. Agriculture engineering. Agriculture engineering involves knowledge of farm machines and equipment. It also deals with developing new systems and practices to address problems facing agriculture. Fourth one, agricultural economics. Agricultural economics deals with the business end of farming. Agricultural economics or agronomics is an applied field of economics concerned with the application of economic theory in optimizing the production and distribution of food and fiber. It is also known as agronomics. Fifth one and last one is animal science. Animal science, also called as animal bioscience, is described as studying the biology of animals that are under the control of humankind. Animal science is basically the breeding and caring of animals for specific purposes, such as for their meat, milk, and or fur. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and comments on it. If you have any problems and doubts regarding this topic, please comment in the comment box. We will be back soon with one more topic.